Welcome to Myth Busted in Nutritional Facts. So the first myth is that meat takes days to digest. That is absolutely false. We are capable to digest meat in 3 to 5 hours from consumption. Meat is important to provide us with protein that are used to actually build and repair body tissues. An alternative source of protein are legumes, such as lentils, beans, and chickpeas. One serving, like half a cup of lentils, provides about 7 grams of protein, which is equivalent to around 30 grams of meat. In addition, legumes are also a good source of fiber. So that's the first myth. Please suggest other myths, put them in the comments down here, and we will go through these and also recommend if they are true or false. Also, please subscribe and hit the notification button so that you are notified with new videos that are upcoming. Thank you.